read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's expected learning outcomes are: the student is expected to identify the lowercase letter k and learn words that start with the sound k, k, k. Here, in this animation, we have given like kangaroo and cattle, but you could visualize through different flashcards like kitten, kite. Very good. Make different flashcards of different vocabulary words. Visualize them to the students. Okay, after that, we will teach this sentence to the students. They could understand what is meant by letter K. Okay, the kangaroo sits near the cattle. Kangaroo, and how many K's are there in this statement, in this sentence? 1 and 2. After that, they will do mime. So, let's start. Look over here. Pretend to kick a ball. Bend down, pull your leg back, and then kick forward. And then kick forward, same like that. And say, k, 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 kick. K, 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 kick. I hope so you understood what we taught you today, and you will do it fantastically. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.